1, 2, 3, go. Hello, 5th grade. I wanted to show you how to do 1-point perspective today. And what you're going to need is a paper, a pencil, and a ruler. What you're going to do is you're going to draw your line across the paper. This line is called a horizon line. You can draw it in the middle, you can draw it to the side, or to the top or bottom. It doesn't matter. One thing we need to make sure is we have a vanishing point. Anywhere on this line is fine, but you just need 1 point, vanishing point. So if I connect the corners that are the closest to the dot or the vanishing point and make a line. Now I'm not going to want to go through the object, but I'm going to want to go from the corners or the farthest away. So that looks like a triangle coming out from that vanishing point. So those two objects look like they're coming out of the vanishing point. I've got a small square here. And these I don't want to go through my object. Now, one question I have is how can I go back from a circle since the circle has no corners? So I will go to the outermost part of the circle, the widest part, and draw that. But I'm not going to go through this existing shape. I'm going to end it there. And actually this line is conveniently put there. So I'm going to go from the outermost part of that one down. So if you look, it looks like these are coming out of the vanishing point. I have a few other papers already done. I don't have my vanishing point on here and my horizon line, but I think I'll go ahead and put, let's go ahead and put it up here towards the top. I'll just do a dotted line so I don't go through my shapes. So here's my horizon line, and I'm going to put my vanishing point right there. So my line is at the top. I'm going to go from the outermost part of the circle down to this vanishing point. From the triangle from my square, the square I don't want to go through my triangle. But I can keep connecting these corners to my vanishing point. I have a funny looking shape here, but just remember I'm going to take these corners back to this point, but I'm not going to go through my existing shapes. This is a corner, this inside part. I'm going to go from the inside of that one. Okay, I'm going to line this one up and see if I can take it back at this point here. I can take back, but I'm not going to go through my existing shape. And this one I cannot. And then I have this triangle. Just remember to always line up to your vanishing point. Now that's going to go through the circle. And the last one is my circle. I'm going to go through the widest most part. So everything looks like it is coming out of the vanishing point, going towards you for this. You can also do this with bubble letters. have the word hello here, I could put a vanishing point and horizon line down here towards the bottom. And I could make these letters look like they're coming out of this vanishing point. Just remember you have to go from every corner. I'm not going to go through that one part of the H because it's going to go through my letter. And I'm going to stop it before it gets to the E. So there it looks like my H is coming from out of that. Now I'm going to treat the E just like a circle until I get over here to the corner of it, and then I'm going to stop it on the L and that part. So it looks like the E is coming out as well. We'll do this inside corner. Now I'll do these two L's. And notice each time I'm coming to this vanishing point. So there, the word hello is coming out of that vanishing point. You can fill the space with other shapes, your names. Just remember you have to start with a basic shape, whether it's a bubble letter, circles, regular letters. You can do organic shapes as well. Thank you. That starts for part 1.